Howdy howdy howdy. I am a little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Roseborough, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the sound installation, 40-part Motet, by the artist Cardiff. Cardiff was born in Brussels, Ontario, Canada, in 1957. The artist is known for her sound installations she calls sound walks. In 40-part Motet, the artist placed 40 speakers, each playing a recording of one voice singing Thomas Tellus Spem in Alium, enabling the audience to walk through the space and hear individual voices of the polyphonic vocal music. The work was presented at New York's The Cloisters in 2013, that museum's first presentation of contemporary art. This work inspires me to think about sound as a vital, if not singular, component of my projects. Until next time, I'm little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Roseborough. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at ARTWORLDGEEK.